modern agriculture depends heavily on a small number of crops: wheat, rice, corn. These three crops provide a large percentage of the world's calories. But throughout history, humans cultivated thousands of different food plants. Many of them were highly nutritious, highly resilient, and well adapted to difficult environments. Over time, many of these crops disappeared from mainstream farming, not because they were ineffective, but because agricultural systems became standardized. Today, some experts believe revisiting these forgotten crops could improve food security and agricultural resilience. Here are 5 forgotten crops that could play an important role in the future of food. The first crop is amaranth. Amaranth was widely grown in ancient civilizations. It produces small seeds that are rich in protein. Unlike many common grains, amaranth contains essential amino acids, can grow in poor soil conditions, tolerates heat and drought. Its leaves are also edible, making it a dual-purpose crop. Amaranth demonstrates how traditional crops can offer both nutrition and resilience. The second crop is teff. Teff is one of the smallest grains in the world. Despite its size, it contains significant nutrients. It grows well in difficult environments. Teff is known for its adaptability to various soil types. Because of its small seed size, it can establish quickly. This reduces risk during unpredictable weather. Another important crop is millet. Millet has been cultivated for thousands of years. It is highly tolerant to dry conditions. Millet requires less water than many common grains. It grows relatively quickly. It also stores well after harvest. In regions with limited rainfall, millet can provide stable yields. Next is sorghum. Sorghum is known for its ability to tolerate high temperatures. It develops deep roots that access water in dry soils. Some varieties are used for grain. Others are used for animal feed. Sorghum is already grown in some regions but remains underutilized globally. Its resilience makes it valuable for future farming systems. The fifth crop is breadfruit. Breadfruit trees produce large starchy fruits. A single tree can produce significant amounts of food. Once established, trees can produce for many years. Breadfruit grows well in tropical climates. It represents an example of perennial food production. Perennial crops reduce the need for frequent planting. This can improve soil stability. Modern agriculture often prioritizes uniform crops. Uniform systems are easier to manage and distribute. However, diversity improves resilience. Different crops tolerate different conditions. By expanding the variety of crops in use, agricultural systems become more adaptable. Forgotten crops may provide solutions for climate variability, poor soils, limited water. Reintroducing diverse crops can strengthen food systems. Throughout history, agriculture has evolved continuously. Some crops became dominant. Others faded into the background. But as conditions change, old solutions can become relevant again. Forgotten crops demonstrate that innovation does not always require new inventions. Sometimes it requires rediscovery. If you enjoy learning about resilient agriculture and hidden food systems, subscribe to Legacy Harvest. Because the future of food may depend on knowledge from the past.